Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect ChatGPT to Zoom Meeting. In this walkthrough, we'll use Zapier to create a simple automation that links Zoom with ChatGPT. The goal here is to set Zoom as the trigger app and ChatGPT as the action app, so the workflow is ready for you to build on. Start by opening the Zapier App Connections page in your browser. This is where you can manage integrations and begin creating new automations. Once the page loads, look to the top left corner and click Create. This opens the menu for starting something new in Zapier. From the options that appear, choose Zaps. A Zap is Zapier's name for an automated workflow that connects one app to another. After selecting that, you'll be taken into the Zap editor, where you'll define what starts the automation and what happens next. In the editor, click on Trigger. This is the first part of the workflow and tells Zapier what event should launch the automation. In the app search field, type Zoom. When Zoom appears in the results, click on it to select it as your trigger app. Next, click into the event selection area labeled Select the Event. From the available Zoom trigger events, choose New Cloud Recording. This means the automation will begin whenever a new cloud recording becomes available in your Zoom account. This is a useful choice if you want ChatGPT to work with meeting content after the session has been recorded. Once the trigger is set, move to the next part of the workflow by clicking Action. The action is what Zapier will do after the Zoom event occurs. In the search field, type ChatGPT. When you see ChatGPT by OpenAI in the results, click it to continue. After selecting ChatGPT, click on Choose an Event. This lets you decide what kind of task ChatGPT should perform inside the automation. From the list of available options, select Analyze Text. This setting is commonly used when you want ChatGPT to review, interpret, or extract useful information from text-based content. At this stage, you've connected the core structure of the workflow. Zoom is the trigger, and ChatGPT is the action. If you're following along, take a moment to confirm each selection before moving on. Choosing the correct trigger and action now makes the rest of the setup much smoother. That's it for this part of the process. You now have the foundation in place for connecting Zoom recordings to ChatGPT using Zapier.